Hi, my name is Kristen. I work for Daly City Recreation, and today we're going to be making a 3D rainbow craft. So the supplies you'll be needing are white, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple construction paper, some cotton balls, a pair of scissors, glue stick, and a pencil. So what you want to do is you want to take your white construction paper, fold it in half hamburger style, draw a cloud, and cut them out. So now what you want to do is you want to take your rainbow color paper and cut out a strip from each color. So now what you want to do is you want to take your strips and you're going to glue them at the middle of one cloud and then glue the other end to the other cloud. So now what you want to do is you want to take one cloud and you're going to fold it over onto the paper strips. Then you're going to do the same to the other side. So for the last step, what you're going to do is you're going to take your cotton balls and glue them on the cloud. So I hope you enjoyed making this craft, and I'll see you next time.